So hey guys, this is Suryansh and welcome back to the channel, and today in this video I am going to teach you how to edit raw photos in Lightroom Mobile from this to this. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with today's video. Roll the intro and peace. So before starting the video, if you have watched this video till now and you haven't subscribed the video, you haven't subscribed the channel and you haven't liked the video, so what are you doing right now? Go and do these things. So after importing your photo in Lightroom, you will see this type of interface, and firstly we will do some basic light setting. So I will increase some contrast, decrease exposure, and I will increase so yeah, I have done the basic light settings, and I will move to the curve section. So yeah, the curve section also done, and after I will give some, and after that I will increase some saturation. Yeah, and after that I will set the white balance. And I will decrease some vibrance and my HSL panel, and my color section is also done, and I will go to the effect section and I will increase some textures, clarity, and I will give some vignetting, and I will increase the feather. So this is the photo look from this to this. So this is the magic that happens in Lightroom. Okay, so this is our first image, and let's move to the another image. So this is our second image. So we will do some basic light setting. I will increase some contrast, I will decrease some exposure, I will decrease highlight, decreasing the shadows, increasing whites, decreasing blacks, and basic S curve. If you want that I make a separate video on curves, so I will make. You need to just comment me. So only doing this part, see the before and after look. It took very big change in this. After we will move to the curve, the HSL panel. I will just increasing the saturation, only saturation. Yeah, so there my saturation part is done. I will increase temperature, and yeah, I will increase some vibrance, I will increase some amount of saturation. So there my color section is also done, and then I will increase the texture. After that, clarity, I will give some vignetting look. Actually, let me, yeah, and increasing the feather to 100. So that's how my second photo is also done from this to this. So now let's move to the, so this is our last photo, in which we will firstly in which I'm going to keep it basic S curve. Yeah, and after that I will increase contrast and I will decrease some exposure and I will decrease highlight, because as you can see there that how much this white light is coming. Okay, and after that I will decrease some whites, yeah, the whites part, and I will decrease some black part, and yeah, the light section is also done. Okay, so now I'm moving to the color section in the HSL panel. I will give some contrast, I mean saturation to all. Yeah, and the saturation part is also done. Actually I have just increased saturation, I haven't select the hue because it's just in basic tutorial. And I will decrease temperature. After that I will increase, I will decrease tint, and I will increase the vibrance, and I will decrease saturation because it is already saturated with the HSL panel. And then I will move to the texture section. I will give some texture and then clarity and then vignetting, and after that feather to the 100. So that's how our photo looks from this to this. So guys, in this video I have told you the basics of mobile Lightroom application, and if you want the advanced tutorial of Lightroom, so comment me below. And if you like this video till now, so press the like button, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon also. And this tutorial is actually, so that's it from this video guys. We will meet in another one. Take care, stay safe and watch my sit. We will meet in the another one.